Hi everyone, Jack Huang from RosterElf here. Today, we're looking at how to view each team member's hours and labor costs over any date range. By the end, you'll know how to switch roster views, set custom dates, and confirm your wage spend at a glance. How to select the roster view. Open the roster and find the daily, weekly, and monthly view buttons. Tap the option that best suits the period you want to analyze, for example, weekly to compare 7 days at once. Check that the roster grid refreshes so you know you're in the correct view. How to set the date range. Locate the date picker above the roster. Choose your start date, then your end date, to match the pay period you need. Watch the roster update immediately to reflect the selected window. How to view roster by staff. Find the view type toggle on the right of the roster. Select by staff to sort shifts under each employee's name. Confirm that every staff member now shows a single row of shifts, hours, and labor cost. How to apply filters. Open the filter menu if you need to narrow the roster. Add or remove options such as positions or employees to focus on specific data. Check that any active filters are highlighted so you remember they are on. How to interpret hours and costs. Look at the staff list on the left to see each person's total hours and dollar cost for the chosen range. Notice that wage staff update live as you add or edit shifts. Remember that salary staff show their expected hours alongside a fixed cost, helping you keep budgets balanced. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Happy rostering, and see you next time.